Hey, what's up? It's Jesse with Rendell RV. Today I want to take you around this Aurora 33RLTS. It's got 3 slide outs and recliners and a rear living setup. I'm going to peek around this side real quick. 2 slides are over here. That's the bedroom, and this is the rear entertainment back there in the back. Just like up front, 2 20-pound propane tanks and your electric tongue jack. A little bit of storage there. Your electric awning. There's your other slide out. It's got the nice solid steps there. There's your model number. But yeah, with these opposing slides, it really opens everything up back here. You get your booth dinette, which makes down to a bed. This here is a trifold sofa, which can turn down to another bed. Really good countertop space with all this the wrap around here, and with the sink covers. Here's a look at all your storage. Couple up there, microwave and more storage over there. There's a Furrion refrigerator. It's about 11 cubic foot. Entertainment in the rear, 2 windows. It's got a Furrion DVD, Bluetooth radio, some speakers, and your TV. Your 2 recliners. So here will be the bathroom. We'll go to the bedroom first. Zoom out. Bedroom's on the slide, so it gives you lots of walk around room here. Also lots of storage in the front. And this is washer and dryer prep, so if you want to do stackables, we can add those for you, or just use this for more storage. Looks like a queen size bed. For more storage underneath. That's on struts. This little pocket door shuts for the bathroom. So you got 2 ways to go into that restroom. It's your radius shower, toilet, sink. A little skylight above the shower. These are here just on rollers. There you go. So yeah, that was a quick tour of this 33RLTS. If you're interested, it's on our website, rendelrv.com, or you can call us at 903-326-4080.